Hello everyone, greetings from TCC. In this video we'll see how to download and install Android Studio. So go to Google and type download. Android Studio. Go to the first link, that is developer.android.com. You can simply click this button, or you can go ahead and scroll down here. All the information related to it are given here. So Android Studio downloads for Windows 64-bit. This is the recommended .exe file. Okay, I'll click on this and it will ask me to accept the license agreement. So I say I have read it and download Android Studio Bumblebee version. Okay, it will take a while. Meanwhile, we can scroll down and you all can see the system requirement here. For Windows, it has to be 64-bit. Windows 8 or 10 will do. CPU, that is processor, should be second generation Intel Core or newer, or AMD. CPU with support for a Windows hypervisor should be there. Minimum RAM is required 8 GB or more than that will do. And available disk space should be 8 GB and the resolution of the screen should be 1280x800 into 800. So these are the requirements. If your system satisfies this requirement, which is this one is very much important, that is 8 GB RAM. If your system doesn't have 8 GB RAM, then do not install Android Studio. It will not run properly, it will lag. So that's the recommendation. We'll wait for a while till it gets downloaded and then we'll see the installation part. Stay tuned. Okay, so the file is ready. We'll go click here, show in folder, right click on it, run as administrator. It's a big file, it will take time for the installation. Okay, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make the changes in your device? Go for yes. And it will start loading. So here is the wizard. Welcome to Android Studio setup. Click on next. We want both the things, that is Android Studio and Android virtual device also, so that we should be able to deploy our apps on our system only to have a look and feel. So let's click next, and this is the drive where it will get installed. C program files, Android Studio. Click on next, and this many things will get installed. Do not create the shortcuts. Okay, let it be like that. Click on install. Now sit back and relax for a while. It will take little bit amount of time to get complete. Okay, so the installation got complete. Setup was completed successfully. Okay, you can click on show details if you want to have a look. Click on next, and finally click on finish. So now we are good to go and start programming Android. The start, it will ask you to, if you have already installed before the Android Studio before, so it will ask you to configure or installation directory before, but we don't have it. So let's say do not import the settings in the first time, and you will be able to see the welcome page of Android Studio. In the start, we'll start finding and downloading all the software development kits required. Do not share, don't send any information. So we are here on the welcome Android Studio, so we can make apps for smartphones, tablets, smart watches, smart televisions, even for smart cars. Click on next. We'll choose the type of setup you want for the Android Studio. That is a standard one with the most common settings we want. We are using Android Studio for the educational purpose, so we'll go with the standard one. Click on next, and we have got two themes here, like one is Darkula and one is light. Okay, and like whichever you are suitable with, you can choose. I'll go with the light one. Next, and if you want to review or change anything, so they have just mentioned the memory it will take for Android emulator, SDK, and etc etc. Click on next. You can skip this. Again, accept, and all the license, all the SDK, okay, will get downloaded. Okay, so all these things are, I guess, already there. So you just have to check this. Like you have to come one by one like that. Okay, you can like directly choose Android SDK license and click accept, and it was not allowing me to click next because this was one more license for the preview. So just if you want to read it, and again click on accept, and finally you will be able to see the finish button. And now it will start installing all the components. Now this will take a lot of time, so we'll pause the video here. We'll resume back once it is done. So we're done with the installation part. Downloading components are done almost. You can just scroll down if you want to see, then click on finish. So now finally we are on the welcome page of Android Studio. You can start building your own project. Thank you. That's it from this video.
That's all guys from this video. If you really like this video, press like button and do subscribe to our channel. If any queries or suggestions, do comment below. For more such updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.